Cool down my AC in my 6x12 cargo trailer.
That feels
As you can see,
cool.
it's just a matter of drilling 2 holes inside of the trailer, hooking it up, and just turning it on. It's a nice little unit. It's a Climate Rite 8,000 BTU. Got the controls right outside, which is kind of neat. You can set everything up, and also has a remote control. I'm very proud of this unit because I've been trying to find something that would work right, and this just happens to be the ticket. Sits easily on the ground with no problem, as you can see. Loads up for storage when it's time to go. As you can see, Liam insists on playing outside.